Hello everyone, my name is Sumit Goyal and I welcome all of you to the SP Self-Learning video broadcast. Today I am going to tell you how to configure your company's Gmail address with Dynamic CRM. Now the advantage of doing this, you can send emails to your contact or in the Dynamic CRM context directly from your CRM. So for that you do not need to log in into your Gmail onto your system. So let's see this. So first of all, I need to log in into my Dynamic CRM. So I have already logged in into Dynamic CRM, as you can see here. The first thing which I need to do is I need to create a new email server profile. So how to get to that for creating that new email server profile? So clicked on settings over here, or you see this Microsoft Dynamics CRM, clicked over here, clicked on settings. From settings, from here settings, select, look for email configuration. In this email configuration you will find a link, email server profile. So I would like to create a new email server profile. So I clicked on email server profile. There will be one default email server profile, that is with Microsoft Exchange. We need to configure new email server profile with our Gmail address. So to do this, I clicked on new button over here, and because Gmail supports POP3 SMTP profile, so I clicked on this. Here I give a name over here to my profile. I assign a name, BISP Gmail. Server type will be POP3 SMTP default, and the owner will be your name. Here you need to give pop.gmail.com. This will be your incoming server location, and your outgoing will be smtp.gmail.com. Next you need to do is, you see here we have credentials. In incoming connections authenticate using, it will be credential used specified by a user or a queue, and use same settings for outgoing, so we need to check this. Then I clicked on advanced, and here I need to set the incoming port and outgoing port. So incoming port will remain same and outgoing port will be 587. To confirm about the incoming port and outgoing port, you need to check with the current settings with Gmail that what's the port, incoming port and outgoing port they are using at present. So I set 587 over here, save it. And I assign this profile to a user. So from here I said assign to me. Click on OK and save and close. So once I close this and once I save this, you see a profile has been created over here via SP Gmail. So I check this and activate it. Activate. After this, I need to do some more settings over here. So for this, I again clicked on email configuration, and before moving on to next step, I check whether the configuration is set or not. So I clicked on email configuration settings, and you see there is no server profile available over here right now. So profile is not set. So I clicked on this and I select the profile which I have created just now. So BISP Gmail, and the other settings will remain same, and click on OK. Then we clicked on mailbox. So you see here there is no active mailbox. Actually we need to configure the settings of user. We need to associate the profile, which the server profile which we have created. We have to add that profile or assign that profile to a user of our organization. So for this, I again clicked on settings, and in settings I go for look for security, clicked on users. Here there is one default user, so I clicked on this, the name of that user. Scroll down and here you can see administration. I clicked on administration. The name appears over here, the mailbox. So in front of that I clicked on this mailbox, and we need to configure mailbox over here. So first of all, we need to activate this. So I clicked on activate. Now we need to do these settings over here. So as you can see here, I have already done some changes. So what changes I have done, you see here, I provide my mail ID to which I associate with this dynamic CRM. So this is my company's mail ID or official mail ID. I use it over here, and the credential also I use the same mail ID. The username will be same as the current email ID or the email address, and this is the password of this user. Then we need to set the server profile. So I clicked on this and select the server profile over here, save it, and clicked on apply default email settings. Okay. Then I clicked on test and enable mailbox, and clicked on approve email. Okay. So once it is approved, you see you will receive a message over here, the email configuration test is in progress. So for this you can check your mailbox whether you have received any email or not. So we can test and enable mailbox. So it is still going on, the test is still going on. So you can see here, once the configuration is done, the message is gone from here and we have done all the configuration. Now we close this. I close this, and if you check your company's mailbox, see I have received a message over here that it has been configured. So this is a test message to check the outgoing email configuration for this particular user. Now let's test from Dynamic CRM whether it's working or not, or if we are able to send an email to any user or not. So for this what I have done, I have created a dummy user, and I have assigned an email ID to that user. Now I'm going to send an email to that user. So for doing this, for checking purpose, I clicked on this create. Here there is a mailbox, email. I clicked on email, and from here I'm going to look for a user. So I enter, I write my name. Actually I have created a user with my same names. So this is the mailbox, another mailbox. I enter a message, hi, and the subject is hi, and whatever message you want to give. So I check over here. This is a testing email, and I clicked on send. And once it is done, you can check your mailbox that you have received an email on your, see that I have received a mail on my personal mailbox from the CRM 0001088. This is a testing mail, and if I reply over here, for example I give a reply to this, you can see the mailbox, basically it is using my company's mailbox. And if I send I give a reply to this, I am fine, thanks, and send it, this will come back to my company's mailbox like this. So this is how we can configure our company's Gmail box with Dynamic CRM for sending an email to the clients directly from the CRM. That's all in this video. I will be coming up with some new videos with new topics, some interesting topics in Dynamic CRM. Do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more interactive videos. Till then, have a nice day ahead. Bye bye.